Hi, can I just have a Mexican pizza, please?
Yeah. Anything else?
That's it.
Any sauce with that?
No, thanks.
All right, that'll be $5.50 at the second window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My version's not gonna be anything like this. Okay, so for my ingredients, I'm using a lot of fresh stuff. Now you can go to your local grocery store and ask them for a fresh dough ball for making pizzas. I am going to be using a tortilla that I'm frying up for the crunch, but the base of my pizza is going to be just some fresh dough that we're just going to form up and cook up. Cotija cheese, or cotija, freshly sliced jalapeno, freshly sliced cherry tomato, diced red onion, sliced black olives, freshly chopped cilantro, taco seasoning of our own design, Ortega original taco sauce, that's for the ground beef, refried beans, cheese, pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, tapatio, because I like it spicy, and because we like it spicy, we're going to grill up some habanero sausage for the topping. Yeah. Let's go do it. Now for this pizza and the sausage, I'm gonna be cooking on the Wildfire 4-in-1 grill. Now this is a charcoal grill because you gotta have the taste of charcoal, and you better have some charcoal flavor with your sausage. Now normally when I cook a pizza on the Wildfire, I cook below the coals, right? And there's a fan in the back, crank it up, air blows right over the coals. It's so windy. Air will blow right over the coals, superheating them to like 1,000 degrees, and your pizza cooks in seconds. It's pretty dang cool. I'm gonna be cooking above the coals this time because, ooh, those coals are hot! Because I wanna cook this pizza a little bit slower because it's gonna be packed with toppings, right? So I wanna make sure that everything gets cooked evenly throughout, so we're gonna be cooking above the coals, and we're also gonna cook our sausage. Let's get going on those. We got a skinny sausage, we got a chubby sausage. For the ground beef, it's simple. Just brown the ground beef, add our taco seasoning, roughly 2 tablespoons, our taco sauce, another couple tablespoons, mix it first, and we'll turn it down to 2, and we'll add a 1/3 cup of water. And then we're just gonna let that water reduce down. We're just gonna add a little bit of flour onto our surface, get a little flour on our hands, just kind of give it a little stretchy. Mine's already super misshapen, no big deal. All right, now we've got our weird little map of dough. I'm gonna add a little flour to our launch surface. Don't worry, we're gonna make it look better. We're not going for perfection or anything, but this is a little weird looking. I'm not really an artist. It's gonna come out more like an oval. Hope you're okay with that. But we're here, we're trying. Now we're just gonna take the edges and we're just gonna bunch it up. Not my best attempt, but it's gonna be delicious. All right, sausage, done. Look at that big guy, holy moly. A little bit of the taco sauce, just as our pizza base. You never wanna do too much sauce, but that definitely wasn't enough, because there is taco sauce in the ground beef too. Which is next? Pepper jack and sharp cheddar. We're gonna add the cotija cheese after it's cooked. All right, chunks of our habanero sausage. All right, we're just gonna lay down some chunks of refried beans. This has got some weight to it. Now our tomatoes, jalapenos, and some red onion. I love red onion with anything taco and spicy. And our black olives. A Mexican pizza mound. Went ahead and added some mesquite wood chunks to my coal bed, because why wouldn't you? Now our pizza stone is sitting at 450 degrees. That is Yahtzee right there. Because this pizza is so heavy, we're probably going to, look at this baby. We're probably gonna have to give it some help launching. Yeah, there we go. And for our crunchy taco shell, we've got some hot oil. Let's just peek, okay? It's only been a couple minutes. Ooh, it's puffing. We got a dough bubble back there. You know it's gonna be delightful when you get a dough bubble. Dough bubble. I want to see how the bottom of the crust is looking. Oh yeah. Scratchy, scratchy. All right, the moment's come. This baby's got to be done. Oh, yes. Oh, I got to show you guys this. Look at that, mama. Oh my goodness. That is just glorious. Look at the bubble. All right, so we need to add our cilantro, our cotija cheese. And we're just gonna put some dollops of sour cream sporadically onto the pizza. Blop. And we'll take our tortilla, our fried tortilla, and we're just gonna put little specks of it onto the pizza. It's super windy, because this fried tortilla flavor mixed with that pizza dough is going to be incredible. There's my Mexican pizza. Now, if you have one of these, you probably shouldn't slice on it, but I'm really tired. And if you haven't noticed, this is actually a lot of work to do all by yourself. The filming, the cooking, the pizza, the eating, that's not so bad. Is this going to be boiling lava hot? Look at this piece. Oh my goodness, this piece is just I gotta bring this closer to you. That is a masterpiece. Oh, I lost an olive. Oh, I'm gonna lose the cilantro. All right, here we go. It's hot. You guys, that's lovely. That's some sour cream in my face, sorry. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I make my Mexican pizza. And I also enjoyed going back in time and trying a Taco Bell Mexican pizza, which is nothing at all like this. And I was totally prepared for that. And I hope you knew that as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.